Oh, I'm making a video. Hey, I make video. Why do I have the shock shirt? Oh my god. Wow, no, free shirt. Anyway, uh, do my videos offend you? Tell me. I mean, put like or dislike or comment, unless you're like my retarded fucking brother. Then just call the pigs, tell them that I'm trying to kill myself. I'm eating a pizza on video. But do it like a year and a half from now. Anyway, I try to entertain. I've learned that the best comedy for me is to just tell actual reality about my life and see how it comes out. If it comes out funny, laugh. If it doesn't come out funny, don't laugh. I'll pick up on it and I'll deliver it again in a way that's funny. I mean, it's all the same shit. I don't know, just words. I could say, just words. It's merely a reference. Using the vernacular of our time to convey messages. It's all the same shit, right? It ain't no feeling. I hope you get my happy vibration through my video. I had some goddamn motherfucking Machiavellian fucking sociopath. This is shit in the fucking village. Palpatine fucking raped me of my rights in American constitutional right. I thought I could be safe in my home, locked doors, hide my car. Fucking goddamn fucking piece of shit. Terrorist fucking police bullies broke into my home. He's ugly. And if I could fucking find any way to not be fucking screaming in trauma, bothers me, wakes me to fuck up. Certainly not a blessing to the neighbors, I'm certain. Yeah, it's pretty fucking fucked up that since the 7th of December when my Fourth Amendment rights were fucking stripped away, I fucking wake up screaming all the time. But I've gotten better at it. I found a way to vibe well. I'm just gonna let the shit out in video, take a big crap. Kind of like that one video I did December 26th, made it the 25th, posted 26th, make sure I didn't offend anyone on Christmas. Fuck you, cunt, please. And I found myself making about 1,000 videos to process thoughts because people are not giving direct feedback, and because I don't publish all of my videos because, well, I'm kind of in fear from the probability being extremely high based on the amount of times it's happened in 2013 that goddamn fucking police will rape me of my rights to feel human, to be a friend, to be a homeowner, to be happy, to be healthy, to be a role model, to heal, anything. They're pretty fucking sick. But if you're a Browns... Okay, don't. My goal is never to hurt. Okay? Alright? I'm not going there. There's enough people that were hurt in Palatine, Illinois due to negligence and bullying from the Village of Palatine Police Department. There's no need to exacerbate that, not in this town. In fact, I was going to cut out all the videos, but guess what? I'm making more friends. People want to connect with me more. They're like, dude, I mean, I went out to get smokes the other day. What a healthy fucking thing that I actually had quit. But then when they brought a terrorist to my home, did I mention that I used to love this terrorist as my mother? But anybody who fucks me of constitutional or civil rights, fuck you. You're not part of my life. Get it? I'd fucking sue my own mother if that cunt brought a fucking cop into my home. I'd have my brother hung for treason if that fucking piece of shit didn't have the balls to call me and instead fabricated an emergency over a 2-year-old video. Rob's been a fucking douchebag retard, has no clue to use social media anyway. I mean, come on. Who the fuck makes a call to the pigs over a video from a year and a half ago? I mean, Rob actually turned me on to some social media sites. We've had a good relationship. Because the Aspie and the sociopath are often best friends, but when the Aspie is unwell, the South is, yeah, pal, we're coming for the kill. Man, did you see Derek Ugly? You see how I call him Ugly instead of a name that might be related to a real person? I can make up fake things like, Detective Fucktard. That's not a real person, obviously. Is there somebody named Detective Fucktard? Clearly not. It's a fabricated name. Because I don't like being me, and I just want to figure out... I don't know what the fuck my feelings are. I've got Asperger's. I don't know what the fuck my body. I've been getting like weird shit on my body. I can't throw up. So what is that? Fear? Anger? What the fuck am I feeling? I can only feel other people's feelings, like people in trauma. And these bitches put me in a fucking ER. I have no clue what the fuck I feel inside. That's the Asperger thing. What the fuck are feelings? I can only feel other people's feelings, which is why I try to be very aware of how my words impact others. If they hurt you, I'm sorry. If I lose a few fans or friends, that's totally cool because when I'm putting out my douchebaggiest of videos, it's bringing some people closer. I love that. There's a very incredible woman who reconnected online. There's friends who, like fraternity brothers. Oh my God, family! I've got more family than ever before, and a real family, because if they accept me for my douchiest video, then they really love me. That's great. Actually, I felt more accepted by a lot of my mom's family than I never felt accepted by. Yet when I shared my stuff in more nerdy-ish Williger style in the Williger group, yeah, nobody engaged except for one cousin, very cool cousin. To me, when that happens, it's like saying, Dan, you're okay with us? Even if they don't get it, that's totally cool, that's love. Yeah, I could feel love from you hitting the like button on YouTube, but guess what? Hit dislike, I'll still feel love. As long as you engage. I just don't like how cops have that bad-smelling breath. It's real gross, and their shoes always have like so much crap on them. I can't figure out what the fuck it all is. It's like they go into different people's houses, or they pee on them. I don't fucking know. But I never want to insult a police officer. I figure they're nice people like me, right? No. And I just tell real stories to people of real things that happened that would traumatize them. Like, man, when I was 16, my mom put me in a hospital, and they kicked my ass, and blah, blah, blah. That's true. Very true. Who the fuck cares? You know what I'm saying? But I'll tell that to people like Ed Sanchez, or just because that usually is the litmus test for me to tell the rest of the story. And after that happened, I noticed after a concussion that I was able to sleepwalk and still think and be able to, and other things that would have been worthwhile for somebody to goddamn fucking wake up and pay attention to last year. Fortunately, my doctor listened to all 3 segments of that encoded story. The encoding is nothing. It's all layers of truth. It's fucking, I love that. I love me. I'm a fucking computer. I fucking had a concussion, and I encrypted my shit with 256-bit. Thwart this. EAS my ass. I'm smoking some American tobacco action here. NAS. It's NAS. It's Network Addressable Storage. Not a storage. Anyway. We'll get into NAS and SAN at a later time. Clearly my brain is doing something where the neurons are reconnecting. And if I'm getting here by making douchebag brother videos, and I can go out and be happy in town and grip my handle a little bit better so I can grab some weights and rehab my body, then fuck it, I'm gonna make more douchebag videos because my brother's a fucking douchebag. If I had a real brother. I mean, it's like my brother the avocado. I'm a crazy man. And this is my brother Rob I'm referring to, okay? This is my brother Rob, who I'll be referring to in any video where I say Rob's a douchebag. I actually have a brother named Rob, and I recognize where there's confusion, and clearly this is a liability disclaimer that I'm just fucking fabricating the fuck out of. Come on. But when I say that, it's also I don't want Robbie to be hurt. He's a fucking mental case. I mean, I love my brother. I can never unlove my brother. That's what I'm learning. I'm trying to unlove Rob by making all these videos like, Rob likes his kid, you know, and it's like, it's fun for me because it's like so retardedly silly. Like I'm watching a funny SCTV or something. It's like, and that's how I appreciate life. I appreciate life as if it were performed on the improvisational stage of Second City. But SCTV no longer exists. Or does it? Fuck, did I just forget that it's on? I mean, did I like smoke some weed in college and it blanked my head out? Because I was actually thrown in a mental hospital for trying weed in high school. And I say trying in high school because I don't think it was real. I think it was catnip, and Dave just fucking I don't know. But actually, it was all about Cheryl. Cheryl, whatever happened to Cheryl? What if she's totally hot? I mean, it was Cheryl who I was messing around with under Fran's steps, who lived at 9422 Potter Road in Des Plaines off of the intersection just... Oh, that's interesting, because when I ran into Barbara over at the flea market, she lived off of D and Emerson, so that's... Why doesn't she know Fran? Well, she should. I should have went to the flea market today, but I didn't. I clearly find myself locked inside thinking, oh, crap, I'd love to heal, but my therapy, which is so fucking simple, playing a stupid song on YouTube, has gotten my ass continuously fucking beat by retarded police. And they're not retarded, that's mean to say. Once I did the mathematical calculation to recognize that they are truly 2.5 retards below my intelligence quotient. And when you go to the IQ required to be a maximum in, pardon me, it does some weird shit there lately. What Darren has been trying to explain, I'm Darren as well. I gotta find a way to do my third person thing. I mean, I thought my little fucking funny acting bit thing allowed me to just express myself really, and other people could laugh at that part too, because I don't fucking care. Hey, yeah, I grew up, my mom abused me, blah, blah, blah. Who fucking laugh at that shit? It's fucking... delivered to you like this at times because I respect that other people may connect with having that, and I would respect their feelings. Get it? I don't fucking give a shit about my shit, but I love others, so I have to deal with that pain. Anyway, so yeah, if I dance around and say, my brother is a douchebag, and it makes me somehow leave that behind and move the fuck on with my life, then that's a necessity. So fucking send the pigs, because I need to heal. My brother is a douchebag, and he's a mental case. He likes to get the drunk, and he cusses in the face. He call him the fucking piggies, and that is not kosher. Why didn't he just call his brother like a goddamn fucking normal? Boom! And I'm good. That'd be good if I danced in a circle and sing a song about it. Like a real weird song like Robbie the Retard. That would make me feel awesome. If I could clap and that would happen, like... Wait. Blah 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 blah. Words. They're just farts. Words, words. Normal people, they use words. Fucking words. Turds. Turds. How about we twist them together into a new Frankenwood construction of twerds? Brought to you by nerds. Finding this all a little bit absurd. He's a crazy man!